Hello again. Just this morning, a former student suggested that I do more cooking videos. So today what I'm making for dinner is this is ground turkey from Costco, just a package of it. Some white onions from our garden. We have zucchini and yellow squash sliced up, and also this is kind of something I like to do. This here is fat that has solidified, and underneath it is the drippings from a brisket that I did in the crock pot a couple weeks ago. I save all the drippings from grilled steak, grilled pork steak, any kind of roast that I do, and I add a couple tablespoons to dishes that I cook just for added flavor, and I do believe it makes a huge difference. So what I'm going to do is just add the flavoring, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients for this meal. I just peel back the fat that has solidified. Okay, I'm just going to stir this in a little bit. The moisture from the meat will add to the liquid, and also the onion. And then when I add the summer squashes, that will, as they cook, that will add more liquid as well. Then I make up my own Italian seasoning mix, and so some of the items we grow in our garden. So I'm just going to flavor it a little bit. Put a lid on and let it all steam. Very simple, very nutritious. This is the squash I had to get at the farmer's market because our squash is completely done. But in the summertime, I make this dish often with the zucchini and yellow squash that come from our garden.